Hey Shaq, I'm doing good. How are you? Been a while. Is there any coding category? Which category should I put this stream for? Study? Education? Is that a thing? Honestly, I have no idea. You know, like when you search on a category in YouTube or Twitch, like what? I will be coding today, so I wonder which category that goes into. On Twitch, I couldn't find any specific one. Thanks for the sub, R2. Thank you. Sub already? My chat isn't working. I have an OBS. I think you guys can see this. And my chat is supposed to show both of my chats since I'm streaming to both YouTube and Twitch, but it is lagging. But right now I'm only looking at Twitch chat, my external browser or other browser. But either way, let's get into it. Visual Studio Code, the best code editor. I don't know, but that's the one I'm most familiar with. Oh, you get this. Oh, this is my... I'm learning Python. This is a test Python project. Since my game is about Python and I don't know much about Python, I have to learn Python. I wanted to make a game. I didn't want to make a game that I already knew. Wait, no. Let me rephrase. So I chose to make a game about... This is a bit loud for me. Wait. I chose to make a game about a coding language, but I didn't want to use a coding language or make a game out of a coding language that I already knew. So I decided to try Python since I've always wanted to learn Python. And I thought it would be more fun to make a game about a programming language that I don't know. And that way I also have to learn the programming language as well. Let's go here. So many files, oh lord. Close these. Let's open with live server. Good to be curious? Yeah, I believe so too. Okay, I think I'll have my layout as such. I think this looks pretty okay. You guys can see my bunch of code. It is probably a hell of a lot of messy. I do apologize for that. I am not the best structured coder, but you guys don't need to see all of this. It's like it's a lot of other stuff in a page. So basically it's a website, and it's a portfolio website, and in this portfolio website I have a game. This is the Python game. I haven't gone into designing it or anything yet. I've only tried to make the functions and the structures, basically getting all the elements. But yeah, it's not really completely playable. I've just been testing around, but yeah, it's getting there basically, and we're supposed to get it further today. So it seems that my chat is not working in the OBS file. You guys can't see it, but I'm gonna try. Okay, now I think it's working. Can someone would someone be nice and type something, and I can see if it works. So I think it works. Yeah, so either way, I have my script. So why don't I take you guys through it? So I have some variables for my game here. There's a whole lot of variables. If you guys are not familiar with jQuery, it's basically like a compact language for JavaScript. I think it's built off of JavaScript, but it's like it's supposed to be faster, I think, and it's supposed to be more organized. I don't know exactly the term, like faster and more compressed, I think, something like that. But yeah, so basically I'm using mostly jQuery. So I have an initiation function. Type what? Oh, I just wanted anyone to type a message into the chat, but it seems like it is working now that you have typed. So yeah, well, that's great. That's great. So like I said, I have an initiation function, and for my Python game, it just calls Python start, and this is the Python start function. Blah blah blah, and then it starts level 1, which is here. I'm not gonna go way into explaining. I'd rather just study or actually do some work. But if you guys have any questions, let me know. If you guys are interested, and I can answer them. Basically, it's like it calls level 1, and when level 1 is done, it calls level 2. When the level 2 is done, it calls level 3. Blah blah blah. And depending on if I want to make it into more levels than just like, I have 5 levels, and these levels work as a layout for different exercises. And then if I want to, like, I can reset them, which I plan to do. And resetting them basically means that I go back to level 1, but then in that level I have something new. It's sort of like a game loop, like a function loop. If you guys are, I can explain it more familiar. If you guys are familiar with Duolingo is like this language learning game. You know, you do exercises, but it's the same layout all the time. So basically that's the design I've gone for. So I don't really exactly remember where I was. Oh, sorry if it's also in Swedish. I am Swedish, and I go in a Swedish university. So I kind of have to write some stuff in Swedish for my teacher. But I think my teacher is quite fluent in English, so I don't think he minds that much. Okay, I think I was planning to design today. So basically, this level is a level about where the user, the gamer, has to write an input, and if the input is correct, you know, he will gain feedback that it is correct. Why is that an error message? Unexpected. Oh, wait, there. Yeah. So let's start designing this. I don't want it to be on the edge, obviously. And don't mind me with these colors. It's just so I can have a sort of idea how it looks. I won't have a red and pink layer. It'll be a better design. Yeah, hope you all are doing good. And I hope you guys can enjoy this short or this study stream. I have no idea which category it's been put in either. I need to check. 1 second. I want to check what YouTube has put it in for category. Imagine I'm streaming to the Valorant category, but I'm not playing Valorant. It seems fine. Bots, yeah. Can I block this guy? Add to block list. Valorant gaming. Making Valorant game in. Making Valorant 2. Okay, so this Python game is connected to... Put this like there. This is a level 1. Level 1 is here. Okay, so I have the input here. And now let's get an ID. Let's turn off autosave, otherwise it's gonna be hella annoying. Where's autosave? What do I want to name this? Level 1 input. Technically not the input, it's just the text. I don't know if input is the correct word. Maybe... Oh, I'm gonna get lost later, but oh well. I'll have to restructure later. Level 1 input text. Whatever. That works. Now, so where does my Python game start? There, game style. Okay. I should have a level 1 somewhere. Or I don't. I'm so lost. Oh no, I turn it off. Okay. I remember now. I don't use it. I do it in JavaScript. I don't have it in CSS. So I have middle items here. I'll put it here. Actually, here's the start page actually. Put it down here. P dot make a level 1 styles. There you go. And what was the ID? I forgot already. Let's copy that. Level 1 input text. Let's try changing the color just to see if it works. Brown, whatever. Save. Does not work. Did I save this? Okay, it works. Nice. Now, before I start, I think I'm gonna make a grid design first. I need to get the grid. Make a grid. You make a grid out of the container element, or the container thingy. And basically, the container is like an element that holds all the stuff. And then inside the container, you have the other stuff. And inside my container, I have text and inputs and so what. So before I start doing that, I'm going to do this div. A div was called level 1. And I believe it is already displaying grid since my class. That. So I have to make a grid template columns. I'm gonna put that to auto and then grid template rows. Put this auto as well. Start auto for now. And then let's make some template areas. Now what this does is basically makes I tell the code what should be in this type of area, and the grid's design defaults to, you know, bum bum bum, so sort of like up and down. And we're gonna put let's just make this easy for us. Question, and then input. Not make it too hard for us. And this was our input, so we're gonna put that in grid area input. And why don't I justify content center align item? Is it align content? So this should put everything in the middle after I save, if I could remember correctly. If it did it. Nope, I fucked it. Nah, it didn't. Level 1. This is... Maybe I need to put something question as well. Let's do that real quick. In the question area. I think I can do, you know, I'll need to test this later, see if it works. But basically, since my question text, the question that I will be using, or like the question design, will be the same for all the different exercises. So I think it's quite redundant or unnecessary to make a specific ID for every single question in every single level, you know. I can just have one design for every level. And we'll put this in grid area question. Let's change the color to... It's currently black, so let's change it to blue to see if it works. Yeah. Now it doesn't seem to center, so I'm going to go into inspect and see. It has a grid, that's nice. You can see that it's a grid when there are lines. There are these lines in between. And also it says grid here. That's good. I don't know why it doesn't center though. I don't want to see console. I want to see... Oh, here it is. Dun, 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 dun. Doesn't seem to get... This doesn't seem to do anything. These two rows, so I'm going to try doing here instead. Justify self center. Yep, there we go. Look at that, lovely stuff. Can get rid of this, whatever. And we're gonna put this in here as well. Did not do it so well. For some reason that doesn't do anything. Don't know why. Maybe that has some other thing. Yeah. Maybe I just... What if I... Huh. Don't know why that's doing that. Either way, this seems like a good start. Now I don't know exactly what my design is going to be, but this is a good start. So I was thinking of the first, you know, the noob level 1 is print hello world. So that was my idea. I have to use JavaScript to manipulate where the input should be put and stuff. And yeah, so forth. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do that, but yeah, this seems good. Don't exactly know why these don't work. This should put it in the center, but I don't know why it doesn't do it. It's something else blocking, probably. Some other CSS that's probably... Or is it because it's fast? Could be. I'm just gonna try some things quick. Oh, nope, that didn't work. Whatever, I'll look at that later. For now, we'll leave it like that. So now I put this, and I can type whatever I want. And obviously the plan is for the user to type, you know, some code in here and to see if they understand Python. Do I know C++? Yeah, I did a course. I actually just had a test this Tuesday. My C++ exam. C++ is fucking hard. It's so hard. But yeah, I did a game about it. I did a small asteroids game as my project in C++. It was more like a game engine, but people don't really know what a game engine is. Or at least most people. Most people know what games are. The project was to make a game engine and then using that game engine to make a small game in C++. Do you like C++? What was the last language you learned? Ooh, nice. Yeah, C++ is... I feel like a lot of people are saying it's like everywhere. It's very popular. But I kinda hate it. Just because it's so hard. But I understand its functionality. It's really good. It can do a lot of stuff. Now, where am I? I'm going to go to level 2. Level 2 is looking like this, which is not the best, obviously. So I want to... What do I want to do here? I wanted to have the expression, and then I want to have the options in a horizontal view. You're still in high school, but you do a little code competition against other schools. Oh, that sounds fun. That sounds really fun. I did some coding in high school. I think I had... What did I have? I had Java, probably. Or maybe C#. I think I had C#. Yeah, I had C#. Pretty sure. But high school... My high school wasn't really that. Or the high school teachers are like... In those coding courses, I never really felt like I truly learned. It was more in university where I put down my shoe and actually learned. Maybe I didn't. I only had one programming course. I liked web development more, which is what I'm doing now. I learned a lot of web development, mainly because you could see what you do in real time with live server, for example. For example, in other coding languages, or like when you learn it in school, you just have this integrated terminal, which is the only feedback you get when you do projects. In the web development, you get to see like the whole thing and the whole graphic interface or graphic design that you're doing at real time, which is probably why I liked it more. Okay, I'm getting lost. Let's go back. What am I supposed to do? So level 2, div level 2 here, grid template columns. How many? Let's put some auto margin, and then we go, since it's 4 buttons, so 25, 25. No, wait, I'm thinking wrong. Let's do 10. Was that too little? 20 gives 10. We're gonna do, let's try 15. 15, 15, 15, 15 auto. Then we're going to do grid template rows auto. And I'll show you soon what this does. I learned Python first, then Java. Oh, okay. Grid area. I don't like coding in school. Yeah, some people don't like it. I started to like it more in university since I chose game development, and now I'm quite interested in it. In high school, I didn't like school at all. I just hated it. I don't really like school nowadays either, but sometimes it's fun. Like this can be frustrating but fun. But it's just the whole design of school, you know, having to do projects and having to do tests. It's so stressful, and I do not like it. It's my biggest game project. Ooh, it's probably my C++. I did do some other game projects, but in my first year of university, but I have to say though, I did not take those seriously. I did not like school then at either. I guess what I'm trying to say is the second year of university, I started to actually do school seriously, or actually like doing school. But I think this game, the one that I'm developing right now, will be my biggest project yet. It's a lot of code. It's almost all the code is done by me, by myself. I haven't used like any help. I've learned and stuff, but this is like the complete design is from me, which makes it the biggest one. Before I'd say I used tutorials and examples to go off of, if that makes sense, you know, inspiration. But this one, I really did all by myself. I don't like school either, but I'm just prestigious because I'm naturally book smart, I guess. Lucky you. I don't think I'm naturally book smart. Yeah. Oh, but I'm really bad at just learning in general. I have to really like force my brain to learn. Unless my brain likes learning. If I'm interested in a topic, then it's easier for me to learn. Let's do 1, 2. We have 4 buttons, so I need 4 of those. And now let's put them in grid area, option 1. Let's copy this. Oh, did I copy it? Format. I love the formatting option. Save, and it's completely fucked. What did I do now? Oh wait, no. I know what I need to do. White space. And white space. Up? Nope. Okay. I feel like the way I learn most is like through a lot of repetition. Is this truly not working? I feel like I did it all correct. No? Alright, let's see. What are you? So I have grids 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. But it's all put in the last option. Why is that? Oh, no. Hmm. I guess technically I also have to do class. I have to put the question at some grid area as well. Class question text name. How many questions do I have to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Still not working. Next. And now my question text is gone instead. What? Come back to me. You're a visual learner? Oh, I see. I don't know what I'm at. I think I'm just a repetitive learner. I have to force my brain to repeat stuff over and over again. I feel like that's my best way. I forget stuff very fast, I feel like. Short-term memory is a bust. Huh. Okay, how's it? So what's going on here? So I have all the button grid area. Why do they stack is the question here. Columns. Yes. White space. Option 1, option 2, option 3. It seems like I'm doing it correct. Huh. Where is my question text? It's also there? What? That is weird. Is there something else blocking? Dude. Such a long time I was in high school. I had my fun moments, but I didn't like the school part, I think. School is not cool. Or sometimes, I don't know. I liked PE, you know, sports and stuff, but... 1, 2, 3, 4. Why does it put it there? That is so weird. Invalid property value. What? Did I do something wrong there? I have saved. Hello world. So I have a level 2, I have a middle design. Is it class? My class? Where's... What was it called? Level 2 button. 2 button. Oh. Something like this. Is it because I have option 1 as another grid area somewhere else? But that shouldn't... Is that really? Let's just do whatever. This... Oh. Nope. Help me. We're stuck already. Fuck this. What is this? Why? Okay, okay. Let's not panic. So we have this. We have a div. We have a division. And it has display block. Really? Is that the thing? It has... Why does it have display block? Huh? Little item. It's no, never mind. That doesn't. It's this one. This is the one that I should be on. And this one has display grid, yes. But what? What is it? God damn it. Ugh. Why do they stack? Why do they stack? Don't stack. Damn it. Sure. Oh shit. What if I do this? Does this do anything? Oh, still stack. Is very weird. What if I get rid of the button thingy? Nope. German. I feel like I've done this correctly, no? 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 Am I not correct? But This is just a default. So weird, look, like I have 4 grids here. This is where my buttons are supposed to be. And then there's white space, and then there's 2 white spaces here, which just doesn't make sense. But we'll go, we ignore that. And then it puts itself outside of the grid. So confused. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. I don't know the answer. Going to fail? No. Is there something in my script? Surely my script doesn't change anything. Level 2. Going to go insane. Well, that's interesting. Let's delete all this, see what happens. And they still get stacked. Huh. Interesting. Is it because this thing, maybe? Yeah, and then they get split there. How does it look now? Now it creates another grid above it because it defaults to another grid. But if I put this grid area question, it goes back there. Nice. Lovely stuff, lovely stuff. That's exactly what I want. Pain. I swear I'm doing everything correct. Huh? Okay, I'm going to check my quiz. I have another game here that is using grid that actually works. So let's see what I'm doing anything different there. Here. No, not really. Grid template areas. Huh. It was a nice suggestion, but I've done this the same way in another where I use names like this, exactly the same. I don't really know why. Section. Huh. That's interesting. No, that's not interesting at all. It's... Or is it? I don't know if this does anything, but whatever, we'll see. What the fuck? What? That makes no sense. Why does that work? Do grid template areas only accept string? Is that a true thing? Either way, I found another solution. Seems like a button itself cannot. What if I just get rid of this? Does this still work? No, now it gets put there. This is very confusing. Is it because I did div here? What if I get rid of this? Oh, still fucks it. It does not make sense. What? What if I put div here? Oh, that will work. That will probably work for the other one as well, won't it? So I reset. Oh, maybe not. Oh. Okay, so it sort of works, kind of. Let's see how the grid works now. Or no, it just... Wait, what? Div. I'm gonna put this right. Grid. Oh, we'll disregard the question 2 for now. I don't exactly know why it's doing its own thing, but we have 4 options. That is sort of working. It's not entirely working. Is it because I have no white space? So I have to define this automatically. 60, so 20%. 20%. Nope, it just moves that guy way off. Is my math incorrect? No, it is correct. Actually, we're gonna fix it real quick. The question one. The question text. Put an ID. No, that's the wrong one. ID level 2 question text. Yeah. Yar. And question text. Create auto columns. I haven't used that, but maybe I should give it a go. But I'm afraid of using stuff that I haven't used before, unless I've like looked at a tutorial how it works. Still moves. Did I define that correctly? No, I didn't. Level 2. Still doesn't work. Oh shit. No, what the fuck? Oops. Area question. Kids. Ah, this is weird. Oh, it doesn't even have a... I defined a... What do you mean? It should have... It doesn't have an ID for some reason. Even though... When I inspect it. Interesting enough. Let's get rid of this for now. Oh, now it shoots there. Oh, didn't mean to do that. I'm going to try to delete this just to see what happened. Maybe white space doesn't work. Maybe my logic is off. I'll just use some other function later. What the hell? Why does it place? Oh my god, this is so fucking weird. Alright, I'll have to look at this furthermore later. Because you could use grid auto flow and use column as a value. Fine with grid auto. Was it column? Oh, I'm very confused. I haven't really used Let me check what you're saying. Auto flow. Oh. This is interesting. Is this to what you mean? I'm assuming. Autoflow row. How do I define these though? Are these already defined? I'll keep that in mind, but right now I'll try to do it this way. Don't exactly know why. This isn't very weird. Let's put on autosave maybe. That way I won't. Man, this sucks. Well, at least the grid is sort of working. Let's see if I can do justify content center. There is still something pushing though. No, it's this thing. Okay, that works. Why does it get placed under? It does not make sense. Is it because this has higher priority? Yeah. Maybe. Do div. This sort of works. Now I just have to get them down there. I can't do this, right? You see, here it works though, so I don't understand what. In the quiz it works. Oh, let's inspect this thing. Question. H3. Let's make it into an H3 like I've done others times. Don't know why this would change anything, but just copy my already existing code. Did nothing. Or did. Nope, it. This is frustrating. Maybe I will make another design to this. This is dumb. Dun, 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 da, dun. Well, if I get rid of the question and I'll just comment it away for now. Go back to a paragraph text. Where is the... Yep. Hey, look at that. Wow. Fixed. Bruh. And I want to see what happens if I just write a text. Let's make lorem. What does that do on my level 2? It puts it there. Yeah, it's because my grids does that. Let's look on how grid outer row works. Grid template, grid outer flow. Yeah, kanske. Syntax. Yeah, let me see an example how this works. Div grid items. Select ID action. Lime. So that starts at row 3. Item 2. I can color yellow. Okay. Oh, okay. I think I sort of understand. No, why don't we try it? Let's comment away this for now. Let's try my lovely Twitch viewers' suggestion. I think it might work. I'm not really sure what this means. But I'm going to do the other parts that I do understand. Don't get rid of div. No, let's keep it on there. Why not? Then I'm assuming I do here grid column star, not grid row star. Can I do that? Do. And then do I have a question? Please work. Oh shit. Well, it's better already, actually. No, I just wanted it to... Is it... I don't need grid area, perhaps? Do I need to... am I doing... Do I need to add something? Because I want... After my first button element, which is this, should start at another row, which is row 2, right? Is it because I need a grid template? Oh shit. I have no idea what this code means. Grid template. Is this where I do 15%? Oh shit, no. That's not exactly what I want. If I just do 100%, what this does. I need a semicolon as well. Can I do grid row star 1? Okay. So I need to know why it doesn't make a new row. P. Because I have to change the button. Oh, this does anything. Huh, look at that. Getting the repeat. Now 1 is bigger. Is that because level 2 question is big? Probably. Try maybe changing the repeat. Is there a repeat? Repeat. I'm not sure what this repeat does. And 4. What is 4 divided by 2 repeat? This is too complicated. Repeat. I've seen this one FR somewhere, but I don't remember. Grid autoflow works for most web browser. It's pretty good. Or like it. Oh. This is a quick fix, but it doesn't exactly do what it should be doing. But if I do... I have not seen what this repeat does. Is there a... Do they explain what repeat does? Column. Well, it sort of is sort of working. I guess I can do justify. No. No. It's not exactly what I want. It repeats the elements of an array. I'm not really sure what I'm doing. Grid template. So I made 4, but it's not exactly making 4 different. I want the first row to be 100%, and then I want the second row to be all these 4 elements. And then I've got it, but I'm not sure. It repeats the elements of an array. I'm just gonna search grid template repeat CSS. To So does that mean that every single item will always be the same? What if I just do it easy for me? What if I just do... I don't care anymore. Let's make this into ID level 2 buttons. Div level 2 buttons. Put this down here. Shift Alt L. Play. Yeah, there we go. Much better. Then here. Also going to justify content. Why does that never work? Just please. Self. There we go. Okay, much better. Fuck it, whatever. I don't care. There's probably a way to fix it, like you said. But This works. This is looking what I want. It's probably, it also shows better maybe. A grid, in a grid, in a grid. Yeah. Okay, now do I need anything in the main thingy? I actually don't know if I need. I'm just gonna write a comment. Is this needed? Maybe I'll put some design later. Okay. Let's actually see how big this is in reference to all the other items. Put it black. Oh lord, let's not put it black. Let's put it iron, whatever. Okay, so it is also defined as auto, so it will get bigger, but I think its max height is... My game is divided up into 3 sections. First area is this area, where it will be some information on which level you are, and then the main area will be the game area, and then the bottom footer area will be like the next button, which is like the one to go to the next. And let's remove this. Okay, this works fine. Very good, very good. Let's put a random question. I don't know exactly. Which alternative suits alternative is needed here? Let's do print. Okay, I'm not entirely sure what questions I will have later, so I'm just gonna put it like that. And obviously it's looking quite unproportionate. Obviously this will go down here, but I just wanted the design to be before gap length. Oh. I see, yeah. I'm not entirely sure what FR is. I've heard about it, but what does it mean? It's some... A fraction can be used defining grids. Oh, so basically it's better than my it's like a more advanced way of writing percentage. I see. So this would give 25, 25, 25, 25. Huh. Okay, I think I understand. Repeat now more. I'm pretty sure I don't need these either, do I? Yeah, it's true. It would look more compact. I'm going to... Is this needed? Later when I... Alright. I always accidentally remove a thingy. Okay, let's go on to the next level. Oh god. So this level I have in plan to do basically I want to match alternatives. So the last one was an alternative to a question. This one I want to have alternatives on a left side, alternatives on a right side, and then I want to have that somehow they match. So you press one and then you press the other one, and then if they match it's correct, if they don't match it's error. Sort of like the same one in Duolingo and in other matching games. Let's go to my index. I have a lot of buttons. This isn't a web course, by the way. It says it's called game-based learning, so we didn't really get that much tutorials on how to build in the web. I've kind of gone on to my own approach since there's a lot of freedom in making the game, and I like web development. But then again, I wasn't the best web developer either. I need to learn these cool repeat functions like you said, and so what. Okay, so we have div ID level 3. So where is my div? I don't have that. Let's just do the same thing I did for here as well. Let's put div. No, that's not what I want. Let's just copy it. Three inner. Dun, dun, dun. Did I call it inner items? Level 2 buttons. Oh, I'll just call it buttons then. Buttons. Div ID level 3 buttons. Double check if that is correct. Yep. Bam. I want to do a grid. Temp. %. I'll have to think more about how I put this one. Going to take away my cam for a moment, since my girlfriend has to go to the bathroom. Does not want to be seen on camera. And actually, I'm gonna put some dummy text in every button just to give them a default size, so they can actually be seen. What did I have? Grid autoflow column. I think I don't want column. I want row this time. Row. This one will be harder. Okay, now let's try your repeat thingy. So what do I want? I want it to be repeated twice. So is it repeat? Ah, fuck, I already forgot. Okay, so repeat twice, 1 FR, IFR, 1 FR. This should give me a 50-50% page, right? No? Yes? Don't know. Let's see what happens. Okay, so... well, it's not entirely bad. It's a good start. One zone. Now I want the... So let's go to my 5th button, which is button level 3 option 5. Just getting breakfast. It's all good. I'm trying to use your repeat function now. And this should grid column, right? Grid column start 2. And it did nothing. Fuck. Okay. Autoflow row. Let's see how row works again. So I'm doing grid column start too on my button that I want to start to. Grid template, repeat. Do I really want rows? Maybe I don't want rows. Maybe I do want columns. Or? Not doing what I want. Is this a correct repeat function if I want 50-50? I want to have 2 columns. One here, one on the left, one on the right. Okay. Let's put the question first in the middle. Wait, no, wait, I skipped it way too fast. Oh, 3 questions. So that's in the middle. And that's not a grid, I think. It's sort of a grid, but not the... So basically, I've done this repeat function, and this should give me 50%. 2 columns that is 50%. No? Yes? I think so. Did it not? Two columns. Now I have click on a button. Should I have column or row if I want to have it like this? I want row. I want row. I want every new item to start on a new row. Yes. However, it does not seem to do that. What if I button level 3 option 2 grid row start. Does this do anything? Okay, I feel like it's just locked, if that makes sense. Probably this, nope. Is it because I don't have display grid? I do should. Oh, look at that. Now. Oh, holy shit. Okay. I swear I have display grid already. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this just to see what it defaults to. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. Very good. Now I want the fifth one. Start at grid, column, start, 2. Whoa, 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 what's it doing now? Bands are cheap. Yeah, you are right. If you want to get banned, don't do it though, please. I should probably remove that. It just gave me more trouble. Everyone was just spamming and trolling me with it. You ban yourself? Yeah. Hello, Demo. Hope you're doing good. Haven't seen you in a while. Mainly because I'm not in the brawl life anymore. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5 goes there. But the rest just... No. Alright. I heard you got cyberbullied. Yeah, bro. It was a long time ago. I'm doing good though. I don't know if it's I mean, it's definitely a little bit, but people always put the argument that we were wrong or our opinion didn't matter, so they were allowed to, you know, shit talk us and stuff. But that's just internet. Oh, you keep disappearing. It's an ad. Are you back, Gamely Bridges? What happens if I do column? Will it just... yeah. That's not what I want. I want row. And then I want... if I do... grid... lurk? Yeah, lurk on. Good to see you too. I feel like I'm doing it correctly, no? See, my button 5, it should go grid, row start. Let's see what row start. Oh, that's stupid. Nope, no. Column start. But then it just grid, row start. I have to do this. Well, yeah. Do I have to define every single one? Totally no. Just finished the ads now. Oh shit. It's all good. I don't know what my ad settings are. Grid, row, and 4. It's not entirely doing what I want. So I don't want to have to define every single one. But can I do column? Well, I guess I'll do it for now, I guess. Let's do this. 2, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4. This is what I want to do, but I don't want it. I don't want to have to repeat my code this much. Surely there's another way, you know? Are you here with me, Gamely Bridges? I guess I can put this for now. But there must be a workaround. Lagging, no! I mean, either way, this looks okay already. I mean, it's basically done, but I don't want to have to. This should be simplified. This is bad coding, I think. Simplify. I'm pretty sure this should be an easier way to put all these ones instead of have to. Do I have to define every single one? Because in this one, well, let's go to what if I do? Oh shit, where'd I go now? Right. What do I do? Mm. Bum, bum, bum. Now there is still an issue, or not a big issue, but like I shouldn't have to write this much code for this to work. I should just have to write one line where like a new column should start here, blah blah blah. Then it should just automatically put. What if I do grid row start, column start, column end 1. Why does it put there? Oh, I see what it does. It just puts it at the end of the bottom of the column. How can I? Not sure why it does. How to like close a row. Maybe it doesn't work. Maybe there is a way, or I just don't know the specific. I mean, this works for now. Maybe I'll find it later. Maybe I can ask Chat GPT or something. Alright, let's go to my list, which is just a big ass input. I don't think I need that much design for this one. Simply just an input. There's a question or there's a statement, and then you have to input code. If the code is correct, it's correct. And now let's give this a class. Thanks. We'll do more designing later. I just wanted to make the design functional, or like how it should look, and then I'm going to design later if it actually looks playable and like a game. So play. Here's an input expression, and there's an input, and then there's an expression, and you input something. Say print, blah blah blah, whatever. Then the question is here. You go next. Which alternative? The alternatives are very, very small right now. Obviously, design is yet to be done, but you know, it's doing its job. Next, I'll have to add some grid row gaps between these, space between something. Here is a, what's it called? Alternative matching question. If this statement goes well with this statement, and so on. I'll have to program the functionality into it. Then we have a question and an input, blah blah blah. And then this is yet to be done, but this is supposed to be level 5, which is basically a boss level, some sort of boss. Then this is my end page, which I haven't done yet. Oh yeah. Oh. okay. Let's see what these. So if you wanna have to do it over and over, try doing and put the number of times. Repeat that. Where do I put the time here? I'm not entirely sure what you mean. But basically what I want is to not have to repeat myself for every single element. I just want this like column to be done, you know, so it fills on the next column. I guess that's not exactly how it works. It just works on multiple rows. I guess, yeah, like you said, I want to have 4 rows in the other column. That makes sense. So what I do, times 4. Oh, I'm not sure what I'm trying to do. Grid template. Can I do it in repeat? I'm gonna ask chat GPT. See what they say. Chat GPT, come help me. Oh, it tells me the... Oh, what the fuck? This is not simplified. This is overcomplicated. Wanna go sparkler? Hey, have fun sparkling. 2 rows and 2 columns. I don't want 2 rows though. This is why you shouldn't trust chat GPT. He just completely changed my solution to something else. This doesn't do what I want either. Like, I still have to write out every single one. I'm sure it's less code, yes, but I want to have my solution, not that GPT's solution. I guess I don't really need repeat, do I? I just need it once. But, you know, why not have repeat in case you need to It's good practice if you want to extend the game, if you want to make more alternatives. There are documentation of grid autoflow. Nope, it's just the same page. Really cool design. Alright, I guess for now we'll just keep it like that. Nice. Looking good. So I'm not sure how much longer I will stream. How long have I been live for? 2 hours. I didn't come very far. It's a lot harder doing this when streaming. Maybe I'll plan something, because my workflow is a little bit slower when I'm streaming, and I also want to talk to the audience. But yeah, I hope you at least enjoyed. This was fun. Glad to hear some of your messages, see some of your messages, catch up. I'm not sure what category I'm in, as I just put education. I wonder if there's anything for coding, or maybe study with me. Oh, I just put education. It's a game. It's not even a freaking category. Oh well. Either way, thanks for watching. I'm going to go now. Have fun. This is how the website is looking currently. I put a scroll function like this. I scroll a little bit and then it automatically scrolls down. Pretty cool. The colors are fucked, I know, but it will get fixed later. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye.